This sweater pattern is called Orange Crush, and you can find it on Ravelry. But I want to show you a 3-needle join that we're going to be using to join this ribbing piece together to this lace feather edge. And the way that we're going to do that is arrange both of our pieces on 2 needles and hold them parallel with each other with the ribbing in the front, with the feather edge in the back. And we're just going to line them up, stitch by stitch as good as we can. And we'll use the larger needle and the red to complete the join. We're going to start by inserting our right needle into the first stitch of the first needle and the first stitch of the second needle. We're going to pull the yarn through those 2 stitches and let them fall off the left needles. And we just repeat that. Let's see that again. Through the first stitch of the first needle, the first stitch of the second needle, pull the yarn through and let those 2 stitches fall off the left needles. Through the first stitch of the first needle and the first stitch of the second needle. Pull the yarn through, let those fall off the left needles. And you continue across the row like that, and what it will do is join these 2 separate pieces together, and then we're going to complete the rest of the pattern, which is to just continue making the body in stockinette stitch.